Hi guys, I'm Tarzia Edward Small, and you can join in as I give you a little insight into our qigong training classes. So today we're focusing on the healing sounds, and we're starting with our posture. So standing in wuji, we stand with our feet shoulder width apart, tailbone slightly tucked in, the knees are pushing outward slightly, and there's a small space under our arms for the qi to flow freely. Breathing in and out through the lower abdomen, in and out through the nose. The chin is slightly tucked in, and we have perfect alignment from our ears, shoulders, hips, and ankles. You're settling your energies to feel peaceful, nice, and relaxed. Next, we bring down heaven by breathing in all the way, taking the hands above your head and breathing out. And we repeat this 3 times. Now we're ready for healing sounds. Breathing in, and make the sound. And we repeat the sounds between 6 or 9 times each. We're working on purifying the heart energy system that is responsible for your joy and your happiness, and helps overcome feelings of sadness and depression. Next, the sound for the liver energy system. Breathing in, shoo. Breathing in, shoo. With this sound, we purify the irritability, the anger, and the impatience of this organ energy system. This movement is a variation of the liver energy qigong that I find particularly useful. By now you should be feeling nice and relaxed, so continue with the breathing and the exercise to balance the organ energy system. Next is the healing sound for the spleen. So we're extending the hands, pushing up to heaven and pushing to the earth. slight turn to the side and back to the center. So we breathe in through the nose to make the sound ooh. Breathing back in and swapping the hands over, and again repeat this 6 to 9 times on each side. What makes Qigong so phenomenal is that it harmonizes the physical, emotional, and mental functions with the demands of life that present at any given moment. So it enables us and anyone that practices Qigong to have the right thoughts and the right feelings and the right actions in any given situation in life. Next is the lung energy healing system. The lung will seek to balance our emotions of grief or loss that we experience throughout our lifetime. So we breathe in, drawing the hands up, turning the palms down and leading with the thumbs. Is the healing sound. So we breathe in, turn the palms over, leading with the thumbs again, and repeat. Thank you so much for joining in, and I really hope you've enjoyed this Qigong session. Please share with your friends and family and join in on our training classes each week. You can find me on Facebook and Instagram and on my website, and I'm willing you long life, health and prosperity as we help and nurture our Qi for our health and well-being.